Hi everyone, I'm Michael. Welcome to my house. Today I have a little assistant with me who's gonna help me to do a wonderful recipe. What's your name?
Alessia.
Alessia is my daughter, and today what we're going to do together. What do we have here?
Yogurt, blueberries, mint, honey, raspberries and strawberries.
So all this to create an amazing dish that your children will like. I hope you enjoy. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to get busy and prepare my fruit while Alessia is going to make the blueberry ice cream with the yogurt. So do you want to put the blueberry inside the bowl? Let's go. You can put 5, 6 at the same time here, or pour it in. And me, I just gently remove
How much can I put?
just everything.
Okay.
You can pour it in completely if you want.
No.
Just don't put it on the floor. I cut my strawberry in 4. What's your favorite fruit? Strawberry or raspberry? Strawberries. Okay, good. It's fine, keep it in. So I'll add the honey inside. And taste the honey. Nice. So I've cut my strawberry. I'm just gonna put them at the bottom of the bowl. A few raspberries.
I'm watching you.
And then I'll break the mint. You wanna help me? Let's put the mint in there. Just break it down small pieces. Where's the mint from?
My daughter.
Right. This is our base.
Why is that one?
Raspberry, strawberry and mint. And now we're going to put the yogurt in there. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, good. Splits again. Nicely blitz. You wanna help me open?
No.
So,
Oh, I put it.
no, look at this. It looks like a yummy ice cream. Taste.
Lumpy.
This is lumpy a little bit. There's fruit in there, that's why. And
I'm
nice.
looking from there.
Yeah,
Daddy, can I look on the lid?
yeah, go for it.
It's really, really lumpy. We almost finished.
You're almost finished. Look, it's finished. You want to taste it? Oh well, let's present it first. You want to present it? Take the plate. And here you have it. Yogurt, blueberry, sorbet or ice cream, mint, strawberry and raspberry. Enjoy. That's a big one. Oh my goodness. Is it nice, is it? Kid. We can have this for breakfast. Bon appétit. Dis au revoir. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
If you enjoyed today's recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel to discover more interesting recipes.